Clear all? Yeah. As you can see here in the cell, we have multiple rows, columns. Yeah, but in matrix also we will have multiple rows, columns. So how you will distinguish it is a matrix or it is a cell from the structure which is present on the left side? So yeah, can you press your upper arrow key and only use the commands where we have created the variables, like first one, we have created a matrix x is equal to 2 or something. We have, yeah, enter. Yeah, again press upper arrow key. Yeah, where we have created any structure, h dot field is equal to something. Yeah, not that one, below one. Yeah, enter. Again, one more upper arrow key, cell which we created, enter. Cell, yeah. Maybe before that you need to define cell, and then you need to first 2 lines of the cell command that we have used. Yeah, downside, maybe more down. Yeah, first 2. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so you are able to see the way it appears is different on the left hand side. Structure means it will be kind of a tree like structure.
Yes.
Then if it is a cell, then it will be with the curly braces. And if it
Okay.
is a matrix, then yeah, it will be a square box. But yeah, one more variable is there that we have created, a string we have also created on top, maybe little more up. Yeah, you can remove the h dot field too, and in that place maybe you can have some other variable. Yeah, and then press enter. Yeah, in that line only you can, yeah, edit or create any string variable directly. That is also fine. Yeah, y is equal to, in quotes, maybe anything in string. Yeah. Yeah, anything you can type and close the quotes, enter. Yeah, enter. Yeah, now ch appeared, right? Ch is the character format. So suppose
Okay.
left side you have the values, and all the variables are there, and you want to have a quick view of what are the variables, and yeah, how, which data type it belongs to, especially on top level. So those you will be able to know from here, by viewing it directly. Okay,
Okay.
so also you can see there is for structure it is 1 cross 1. For a variable underscore name it is 5 cross 5. This is representing the size of the cells or the variables. Suppose it is not a higher dimensional variable which is more than 1 cross 1. Okay, if it is 1 cross 1, then it will show the value. Okay, as you can see on the x variable and y variable, what it contains, it directly shows what is the values are there.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, that way uh, single data type means scalar data type. These are not actually vectors, or it is just a number, so it is a scalar data type. No direction is there. Yeah, but for the others, like variable numbers, these are having some defined directions.